You can zoom in. Oh, it's recording. Welcome back to another video. My name is Tasha. If you're new here, hi, welcome to the channel, welcome to the journey. If you're an OG subscriber, hey boo, welcome back. So I've now reached a very ripe age where I'm no longer being gifted things for Christmas. I know it's sad, but I'm also at a ripe age where I'm not really bothered when it comes to receiving gifts, but I am grateful for whatever it is I do receive. So this Christmas, damn, we're in the new year. Last Christmas I received a box of chocolates from my little sister, and that was literally the best thing ever. Like, yes, gift me with food. Yes girl, I can eat. Yeah, I was just thinking, okay, let me go back to gifting myself. So I got myself the new Airpods Pros to go with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, but unfortunately I would not recommend these if you have an old device. So I'm assuming if you have like an iPhone 15 and below, there is no point of getting these unless you're going to update your system. But then if you update your system, then your device is going to slow down. So unfortunately, you're going to have to pick a struggle. I refuse to update my system because I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Number one, that phone is discontinued. Number two, if I upgrade my system, please know I need at least 14 GB to update the system. My phone is going to slow down. And girl, I do not want to buy another phone. I'm not gonna lie, I really like my phone. This has got like the best camera. Like, we go together real bad. Like, I've actually had this phone for a couple years now. I've never had an issue with it. The phone has never broken, nothing. It's been great, absolutely amazing. And on top of it, I'm still trying to get used to the shape of this AirPod. I'm so used to like the first and second generations. Like, those AirPods were absolutely perfect. That was like right up my street. But these, I'm not gonna lie, they just constantly feel like they're gonna drop out my ears, and I always get told my ears are like really tiny. So I have to get used to this. But the one thing that I like really love about these is that it has noise cancellation. It doesn't actually cancel out as much noise, but it does cancel out. And what I like about these as well is the head spatial tech thingy majiggy. I don't know, you can go like this and it kind of like adjusts as you're moving the sound in your ears. I don't know, but I've been trying to get into my tech bag. If you didn't know already, I love tech, and I've always been like a little tech head from young. Yeah, I was just thinking, let me get out of my comfort zone and try something new. Got these. I got myself the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo, and I just kept seeing this go viral. It probably even is still going viral on TikTok till this day, and I was like, I need to get it. Like, I want it. I want a new camera, something that I can carry on, because I'm still shy, and I feel like that's why I don't actually post on YouTube as much as possible. But I always had this vision that I'm going to be in higher places, and I feel like YouTube is probably the place that will get me there for some reason. The vision is still unclear, but the fact that I constantly have this vision since a very young age means that I haven't fulfilled something that I need to do. So we upgraded. I'm currently recording on a Canon G7X Mark II. I got that a few years ago as well, and I actually had to cuss myself out as well, because what do you mean you got this camera years ago? This camera is also going viral on TikTok and I'm not even using it to my full ability. The Osmo Pocket 3. I don't know what this is, but it does come with a 2-inch rotatable screen with orientation control. It's a 3-axis gimbal mechanical stabilization. It's got active track, full pixel fast focusing, stereo recording, and it is pocket sized. It is pocket sized. The second reason as I treated myself to this is because I really want to be a travel creator. For some reason I just really enjoy traveling, I went to China. If you didn't already know, I'm gonna leave the vlog in the description box, check it out. I went to China on a solo trip for my 25th birthday and I absolutely loved it. I felt like 6 days was just not enough. Like I really wish I went for like a long period of time. It's like I went there, enjoyed myself so thoroughly, saw a different side of life, and then when I got back I was just like, China has my heart, I need to get back there. But instead I just fell into this little loophole of depression, and then I was just down, up, down, up, down for the whole of 2024. And I did not take not one trip last year, not one trip last year. And I'm not gonna lie, everyone would be calling my phone, be like, oh,
where do you have plans going this year?
I was telling you, my friends feel like I traveled to 2024 probably around 10 times because they just feel like I just travel a lot. Last year, I'm telling you, I swear on my life, I did not take not one trip last year. But this year, I have trips planned. I'm gonna be in my travel creator bag. Let's unbox it because this has been sitting on my windowsill since last year Christmas. I always feel like I'm gonna cut myself when I do these things. One thing of me, I just love opening and experiencing new tech. So what do you get? Oh. Okay, so we have a thing and we have a box. We have instructions, and I'm assuming that this is a sticker. I really thought this only came in like the Apple boxes, but maybe I need to try out different tech now. I feel like I'm also at an age where I don't want to be stuck to Apple, because Apple, oh, last year's Apple show, shambles. The only thing that I actually wanted to try was the AirPods, and I got the AirPods, and yeah, I'm still adjusting. Let's open this first. That's all. This is the protective cover that it comes with. This is like a hard shell and it feels really nice and smooth. I love that. So I'm assuming this is just the main event. Let's get into it. This is a cute little bag. You know when you open things thinking that, oh,
Dear Tashani, I would like to thank you for allowing.
No. This is such a cute little bag. Oh my god, you can literally just in your bag. I would actually mistake this for my makeup bag. Like, serious. This is so cute. Look at the way it opens. I'm assuming that this is a battery or a mount. You actually get a few things in here. I'm trying to, so you got 1, 2. Oh, I didn't know that it came with, I didn't know that it came with the mic. I think this is the microphone. I don't know, but if it is the microphone, I didn't know that it came with the microphone. I kept seeing, oh, buy this thing as a bundle, and that bundle was like, you get this and then you get like a microphone and a bunch of other stuff. It came with 7 accessories, as you can see here. 7 cute accessories. This is a cute little thumbnail, so just in case I don't have a thumbnail. So we have the charger wire. I should probably like read the instructions. A quick start guide, but it doesn't really tell me what everything is that's in here, so I don't know. Let's open up this little tiny thing that came in the box. Oh, it's a lens. We have 1 camera lens, 0.75 times 15mm lens. We have a piece of string, which I'm assuming you actually attach this piece of string to the actual DJI Osmo Pocket. And then we have the microphone fluff. I know there's an actual name for this. I don't know what the name is. So we have the microphone fluff and microphone. Oh, it's a mini little tripod. That's so cute. A little mini tripod. I thought it'd be a bit more sturdy though. It's very loose, but I'm assuming because of the weight of the camera, this shouldn't be a problem actually. I'm assuming that this is a battery, which is the reason why in certain videos that I see on the internet, the Osmo camera seems to be a bit longer. I'm assuming that this is what this is. This is like a battery charger maybe. It's a battery handle. There we go, it's a battery handle. It says it right there. I actually don't know what this is. It actually doesn't say what this is. But there's a USB thing here. So I'm assuming this is what you connect to the camera that charges it. Correct me if I'm wrong. So that was everything that came in the bag. And then last but not least, the main part of the show, the actual camera. The highlight of the show. This is my new baby. Everybody say hi to Mr. Osmo. Or should I say Mrs. Osmo? Oh, you can take photos on this as well. I thought it was just like a video camera, guys. You can take photos on this. This is a 5D joystick. It kind of reminds me of like a PS5 little control pad thing. You rotate the screen to turn it on and turn it off, I believe. The shutter button, press once, power on. I'm confused though. Let's take it off. Oh, I should have got a little mini screen protector for this. Scan the QR code to download the DJI Mimo and connect to camera unit to continue. It comes up with this screen. So basically when you download that, it literally comes up with a Safari screen where it gives you a bunch of tutorials in it so that you know how to use this camera and connect your phone to this camera, I believe. It's got a bunch of story video templates, video editing functions, tuning, etc, etc. I love how it's moving already though. Crazy. Okay, so you basically press and hold the button to turn it off, or you can turn it around to turn it on, turn it off. There's basically two ways to turn this on and off. I feel like I'm gonna stick to using the button to turn it on and off, only because I also saw on TikTok mainly about how when they were moving the screen that it just was like stuck there and it just wouldn't turn, and I was just thinking, yeah, that's crazy. This is like what, £615 for it not to work? Please, we don't have time for that. This definitely needs some serious color grading. Like the camera quality is just like stupidly clear. The camera quality on this is crazy. Like I really want to compare the camera quality of myself now and on here. I kind of look very airbrushed on here as well. It does need slight color grading because I look slightly washed, and here I just look very nice and warm, chiseled. But yeah, the camera quality is there, but unfortunately I can't even get this to work right now because guess who forgot to buy them stuff? An SD card. I don't know why I thought maybe an SD card would have came with this, but clearly not. Best believe I'm about to make the money back for this. I got it. Does it not go there though? I'm confused. Finally got it to work. That's crazy. You can literally play with the control of it. You can zoom in. Okay, let's zoom right back out. Wait, how long? Wait. Okay, it only goes up to 4 times zoom. This is great. Zoom right back out. This is to 1.0x. Oh my god, I am going to have so much fun with this camera, guys. Definitely need to learn how to color grade because I look a bit pale, kind of like a picture from a newspaper type thing. I don't know. That's all from me. If you want another video of what it is that I've learned, let me know in the comment section. I feel like if I continue to talk on, I'm just going to be talking a bunch of gibberish. So guys, thanks for tuning in. Like this video, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.